creating a powerful social media strategy. Businesses and organizations are always searching for creative ways to engage their audience and create a lasting impact. To stand out, it's important to craft a well-defined social media strategy that aligns with your business goals. We believe that the key to a successful social media campaign starts with understanding the core motivations driving your business. It's essential to provide you with the tools to build a strong social media strategy by pinpointing your company's values, identifying your company's core values. Discovering your business's core values is an essential step in shaping your social media marketing strategy. These values serve as a compass, guiding you to create a specific type of content. To identify your core values, consider what matters most to your business and the principles you want to uphold. Reflect on your company's mission and what drives you. Decide the impact that you would like to make in your industry. Engaging in open discussions with your team, seeking feedback from customers, and analyzing your competitors' values will provide valuable insights. For example, a cutting-edge technology company such as Tesla emphasizes values such as innovation, flexibility, and customer centricity. Uncovering your muse, the creative spark. To create engaging content that resonates with your specific audience, it's essential to keep your finger on the pulse of your industry. Start by observing trends and identifying common themes that capture the interest of your target consumers. Analyze what works for competitors while staying true to your brand identity. Involve your team in brainstorming sessions, encouraging them to share ideas and experiences that could transform into compelling content. Consider your customers' perspective as well. Monitor their comments and questions on social media and engage with them in authentic conversations. This interaction will provide invaluable insights into their preferences and pain points, which can inspire content that truly connects with them. Remember, don't focus on sales, focus on building a community. Create various pillars that focus on education, information, entertainment, and swaying opinions. Keeping your audience engaged and entertained ensures they will return when they are ready to purchase. Establishing your cause, the purpose that drives you. Establishing your cause is about determining the deeper purpose behind your business. This purpose goes beyond simply selling products or services. It's about authentically connecting with your audience and making a difference in your industry and community. To solidify your social media strategy, align your content with your core values and the cause you want to advocate for. Share stories that reflect your purpose and showcase how your business contributes positively to the community. Building the groundwork. By uncovering your muse, identifying your core values, and establishing your cause, you're equipped to develop a comprehensive social media strategy that resonates with your audience. This foundation will also help you to create content that enhances brand loyalty and engagement. As you embark on this journey of self-evaluation, take the time to reflect deeply on what drives your business and how you can best serve your audience. The result will be a powerful social media strategy that not only meets your business goals, but also need help growing your online visibility? Visit innovatemedia.ca.